Introducing the LASER TREE K60 laser module, a high-performance upgrade designed for CNC engraving and cutting enthusiasts who demand power, precision, and reliability. Delivering 60W plus optical power with advanced multi-diode compression technology, this laser module produces a highly concentrated beam for deep cutting and ultra-detailed engraving. Whether you're working on wood, acrylic, leather, or DIY materials, it provides clean, sharp, and professional quality results every time. Operating at a 450 nanometers blue laser wavelength, the K60 ensures strong energy absorption on a wide range of materials, making it ideal for both cutting and fine engraving applications. One of its standout features is the switchable power modes, allowing you to easily adjust between 20W, 40W, and 60W output. This gives you full control. Use lower power for precision engraving and maximum power for heavy-duty cutting tasks. The built-in air assist system improves cutting quality by reducing burn marks, removing debris, and enhancing edge finish, resulting in cleaner and more professional outputs. Combined with a high-precision spot size, it ensures detailed and accurate performance even on complex designs. Designed for durability, the module features a robust aluminum and copper construction with dual high-speed cooling fans, ensuring stable performance and long working sessions without overheating. With TTL, PWM control compatibility, it integrates with most CNC engravers, making installation quick and seamless. Its compact yet powerful design makes it perfect for upgrading existing machines or building custom DIY laser systems. From hobby projects to professional production, the LASER TREE K60 offers unmatched performance, versatility, and control. Power meets precision. Turn your CNC machine into a cutting powerhouse.